guys, this is Alan from Hirose Financial. How are you today? For today, I'm just gonna explain more on the detail on one of the most popular strategies, which is the Bollinger Bands with MACD. In today's video, I'm gonna explain it to you when not to trade using this strategy and some tips on how you can improve the winning percentage when using this strategy. First let's set up the two indicators on the charts. So go to technical indicator. Okay, just click on that and then we'll select the Bollinger Bands. Put a tick there and then we'll open a drop down for that. Okay, open the drop down and then now we'll deselect the lines on the left and then keep the one on the right. Okay, yep, just like that, and then after that we'll go to oscillator and then we'll put a tick on MACD and then open the drop down for MACD as well. Okay, so for parameter we are using a 5, 35 and 5 parameters. So again, EMA1 is 5, EMA2 is 35, signal is 5. So after we get that done, close the technical indicators window. So the last thing we need to measure is the chart period and option periods. So for chart period, I'm using a 10 seconds chart period and then I will be trading with a 30 seconds option periods. So after we get that done, we're all set and then we're okay to go. So now let's browse a bit. I got one here, so you see the candlestick has touched the upper band. And then all I'm waiting for is just for the MACD to cross over and then give me a purple histogram to open position. So again, the strategy is a range market trading strategy. So for you to use this strategy, first you will need to make sure that the market is in a range market. So later on I will explain it to you how to confirm a range market. But for now, let me place a trade first. Okay, so now I placed a trade, so you see, as I mentioned just now, the candlestick touches with the upper band, and then now I have the two lines MACD crossover, and then the blue line is now below the red line. And then when the crossover, I did receive a purple histogram, and then that's why I opened it a low option there. Okay, so the trade is about to finish and it's looking good. It's ending in profit. So let's do a few more and just browse a bit on the currency pairs just to just give you a rough idea on what is a range market. So you see here. So you see here. So the tip for you to figure out whether the price is in a range market is to zoom out from the chart a bit and then to slice to the right and then to see more on the candlestick history, the price history. So you see here, if we zoom out too much and then we'll see that the price might be in a downtrend. So but then if we slice it to the left a little bit and then we'll see that the price is actually in a range market, so it's actually suitable for using the Bollinger Bands and MACD. So that's the tip here. So zoom out a bit from the chart and then see more of the price history to find out more on the overall market condition. Okay, so I'm just browse a little bit here, just wait for a bit and then to see. Okay, so now again we have of course the market is in a range market, and then now the candlestick have engaged with the upper band, and all I'm waiting for here is for the MACD to cross over and then just give me a bearish indication for me to open a position. Yep, that's what I did there. I opened a low position. So again, the MACD engaged with the upper band, and then I move on to the MACD, and then the two lines cross over. The blue line is now below the red line, and then I have a purple histogram, and then that's why I opened a trade there. So the strategy itself is actually pretty easy to understand. As long as you've got all the points right, you should be able to open a position. Okay, so the trade just now was ending in profit, so I guess I will make one more trade just to show you when not to trade. Okay, so this is when you should not trade. So you see here, the candlestick is actually keep touching, keep moving towards to the upper band consistently. So it's not touching with the lower band at all. So in here we can actually identify that the market is in an uptrend. So when the market is in a trend market, I will not suggest you to use this strategy. So if you see a market, if you see a candlestick movement like this, do not use this strategy and try to use another trend following strategy such as the simple moving average or the GMMA. Okay, so let's move on, and then I will keep browsing on other currency pairs, and then just to find out a suitable market for this strategy. So okay, so just browse a little bit more, and then okay, yep. Okay, so I'm looking at this one here. It's the opposite with the one just now. This one, the candlestick has touched with the lower band, and then all I'm looking for is a two lines in the MACD crossover, which is now. That's why I opened it a high position here. So after the MACD crossover, I want it to be the blue lines to be on top of the red line, and then I should have a green histogram. So after I get all these criteria met, and I will open a high option. So that's pretty simple, and all you need to look for is actually just two signals from the Bollinger Bands and the MACD. So okay, well, the trade is ended in profit, and then we'll take a look at the history. Okay, so this is the history for today. So I make 3 trades today, and luckily 3 of them were ended in profit, and then now I have $168 profit. So if you want to know more about when you should not trade with this strategy, or if you are using this strategy but you are losing, just feel free to come to talk with me, and then or you can just leave me a comment down there, and I will try to solve your questions, and then just hope you can get all the advantage out of this strategy. Okay, so that's pretty much it for today. If you like my video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more live trading video, and I will see you soon again tomorrow. Bye.